Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Also, you can download additional watch faces on this watch in two ways, or by using two different methods. The first method is to do it by using the official ZEP application, and the second method is to do it by downloading and installing the third-party application from the App Store. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the ZEP application, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. Okay, so let's open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon and select your Amazfit GTR 4 from the list of devices. This should open the list of, or rather the device page for your watch, and on this page you should see the option called watch faces. Tap on it, and here we have the watch face store. As you can see, some of the watch faces are free, for some of them you need to pay for, as you can see. Now find the watch face you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it. For example, let's select this one. And once you select the watch face, you will see the info page of it. You can see the recommended watch faces, also the size of the watch face and the author. And once you decide that you want to use this watch face, you can tap on the sync button to start downloading it and syncing it to your watch. Okay, this took a while, but once it's done synchronizing with your watch, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And that's how you do it through the ZEP application. Now, let's close the application, and I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. So, open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna open the Google Play Store because I'm using Android device, but you can also open the App Store on your iPhone. And once you open the App Store, tap on search and type in Amaze Faces and tap on search, and you should see this application called Amaze Faces. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Now we need to select the watch we are using, so tap on select your device, then find the Amazfit GTR series, select it, tap on select model and select the GTR 4. Tap on apply, tap on agree and continue, and here we have the watch faces we can basically download to our watch. So find the watch face you would like to use on this list. You can also browse different categories right here, but for now I'm just gonna find the watch face. I don't know, for example, maybe this one. Oh, my bad. Let's go back. This one. And once you find the watch face you want to use on your watch, you will see this button right here. It's called recent for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, no, never mind. You need to download, or there, scroll down and find the download button right here. And you need to tap on download button, then select the type of watch face, because some of the watch faces have different types, for example different color scheme or something like that, and you have the multiple choices right here. For this watch face we have only one choice, so select the type, then tap on see ads, tap on allow, and then tap on connect. Tap on the connect next to the Amazfit GTR 4. Let's tap on connect again. You have two versions of installation. For some reason it doesn't pop up completely, but you can use the installation version 1 or installation version 2. I'm gonna use the version 1, but if it doesn't work for you, you can try the second one. And now the watch face is being installed, so let's wait. And after it's done, the watch face will be applied, as you can see. And now we can close the application. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.